This is how you set up vanity light, and what you're going to need is the remote, scissors, extension cords, lights, and of course your vanity lights itself. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to grab is the extension cord, and then you're going to grab the scissors because this is the part that we do not need. Now once you cut the cord, you're just going to figure out which one of the side that are different from each other. There's a side that's smooth and there's the other side that's not so smooth. And that determines which of the wires that we're going to connect into the vanity light in order to make it work. As you can see, I'm turning it, and you can see the side that is smooth, and you can also see the side that is not so smooth. Now we're going to cut in the middle between them so we could try to separate the wires away from each other. Now everything that's separated, what we're going to do is not use our heavy hand, but we're just going to lightly cut the exterior of the wires so we could just get that white part out of the wires so we can actually see the wire itself. And we're going to do that on both sides. Okay, now grab your vanity lights and let's get started. Okay, the vanity lights came with the tools itself, so you do not have to worry about buying tools for this. So right now what we're going to do is just take everything out and try to see what's inside the vanity light. And as you can see, there's two types of wires. There's one black wire and one white wire. And we're just going to focus on the wires that are not connected. And it so happens to be these two. So let's get started on connecting them. So let's just detangle everything properly, smoothly, so we can get started on this installment. Now remember what I said earlier. You have to understand the difference between the two wires, because the extension cord will realize which wires are for which, because which one repels and which one doesn't repel from each other. So remember, the smooth side is for the black wire, and then the solid side is for the white wire. Let's just connect the two so we can see how everything is done. Now it's important for you to do it in this rotation, because only the fact that we are going to secure the wires in order so nothing can, damage anything. Now remember, safety is first. So let's just grab the tools. And as of right now, the tools that we're only going to grab are the orange ones. And why? Because we want to secure our wires in order for us to not get shocked or anything bad to happen to us. Because, dealing with electricity is not that easy. So we're just going to tuck the tools to the side and actually secure the caps on top of the wires and make sure that everything is in put and tucked away. Next, we're just going to tuck all the wires away so we won't be able to see them. So now what we're going to do is just put the cap on and try to turn this vanity light on. So get your light bulbs ready and just fix that into the vanity. And let's get started. Okay, what I'm showing you here is called the Indoor Wireless Remote Control Kit. And I have about 3 of them. And this is one of them that I'm going to be using. And of course I have the remote that goes along with it, and you'll see it right now. And since we're using number 2, I will show you how to use this. So it already comes with its own batteries and everything, but right now what we're going to do is just plug in the extension cord inside the remote control outlet. And once we do that, we're going to take this outlet and plug into a power place. And now everything's plugged up, we can now see our results, and it works. Okay, as you can see that it works, and I'm using 2 and 3. I didn't have time to put the 1 up, but as you can see, it works efficiently. And I say thanks for watching this video. I hope that you stay tuned to see the full look of the room, because I'm not done yet. So just hope to see you guys soon, and stick around so you can see the finished results of it. Thank you.